And we are live.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are live. Magandang
Coach Lilibet and
araw,
Coach Roger.
magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is Coach Flor together with our co-hosts Giselle, Bing, and Eunice. We warmly welcome you to Usap-Usapang Pagkakakitaan, our talk show where we discuss insights, experience, and possibilities in the world of online and digital business. And now I'd like to invite my beautiful co-host, Lizelle.
Hello guys, magandang umaga po, magandang gabi, magandang hapon. Saan po kayo nanonood? Giselle po ito ulit. We are so happy that you choose to spend your time with us today. We are so excited for tonight's meaningful conversation, and of course, we with our head coach here, and we hope guys you stay with us until the end. Yes, coach. Yes, Sis Bing.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm Vilma, but you can call me Bing. And we truly appreciate each one of you for being here. And whether you're watching live or replay, we hope today's episode gives you clarity, inspiration, and something valuable to reflect on. Because we have an amazing guest, Coach Lilibeth and Coach Roger, and we are so grateful. Sis Eunice.
Good morning. This is Eunice. I lost my voice, but I couldn't really miss this episode. So thank you, Coach Lilibet and Coach Roger, for joining us. And for those who are curious online regarding digital business, we hope this conversation gives you helpful insights.
Yay!
Yes.
Laban lang.
Thank you so much, everyone. And now let's officially begin. And today I am truly honored and blessed to introduce someone very special to us. Our coach, Brad Roger, Pastor Roger Gomez de la Cruz, and Lilibet Gomez de la Cruz. They are the pioneer, our pioneer in exploring digital business space during a time when very few people believe it was possible. She had both of them had the courage to see beyond traditional paths and embrace something new. God's through faith in God, prayer, consistency, structure, and mentorship, both of them was able to build a sustainable business that eventually allows them to step away from their usual career. Coach Lilibet is a former registered nurse, and they are both enjoying meaningful time with their family. Today, Coach Roger and Coach Lilibet continues to serve not only in business but also in the ministry that God has called them to do. And their journey is a testimony of vision, faith, and long-term commitment. It's not hype, not shortcut, but steady growth over time. Uh, Coaches, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You are both an inspiration to me and my family, not only in business, but in life, your life testimony. I feel incredibly blessed to have you as my coach, my mentor. It is truly an honor to have you with us today, and we are deeply grateful that you made time for us and accept our invitation despite of your busy schedule. Thank you so much, Coach Lilibet and Coach Roger. And before we begin, may we invite you to introduce yourself, share a little bit about your story, your why, and how you first saw the business opportunity.
Hindi pa nag-start, iiyak na ako.
Naiyak na nga rin po ako po.
Naiyak rin ako kanina. Hindi na ako.
Ay, hindi ako kay Coach Flor, iyak nga ako. Anyway, thank you guys for having us. It's an honor to be here in your show. And first of all, I'm super proud of you, and I'm thankful with these two wonderful coaches here, Coach Dizel and Coach Floor. Of course, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys. Because of you, you are part of the success that we have been enjoying at the moment. And my name is Lily Bell.
And my
Yeah.
name is Roger.
So we are both nurses by profession, and we used to work three jobs. And Coach Roger used to work two full-time
Full-time
jobs
jobs
prior to
before.
finding this business. So we have been in this business for 8 years and 3 months. We have been doing this business full-time for the past 7 years, and 7 years and August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. August, September, October, November, December, January, February. 7 years and 6 months. So we have been doing this full time, 7 years and 6 months. So meaning we are also retired already from 9 to 5 jobs for 7.5 years. And okay, I will let Coach Roger talk first, because if I start talking, then you introduce yourself.
So I'm Roger. So we live here in Alberta, Canada, one of the coldest part here in Canada. So now it's winter. So my background, I am an engineering background and nursing by profession. So prior to join with this in this business, so I am one of the skeptic husband. I don't believe in the first time because of my mindset that if you are in online, that is scam.
Yes.
But because of not giving up, okay, to share this opportunity to me, my wife, and then we are here now, enjoy our life now.
Mm.
Because it's a big change
Mm.
in our life. Before we didn't see often even we are living in one roof, but because of busyness,
We don't
because of
see each
business we
other.
don't see each other
Yeah.
now, and then we enjoy the time because of this business.
Yes.
So like what Coach Lilibet said, your guys part of our milestone. So thank you so much too.
Yes. And it says here why she explored online business. For all of you out there who doesn't know our story yet, I am the one who
Mhm.
did the business first, because I have a skeptic husband here, Roger. And I always share this because, with couple, there is always someone who is a skeptic. There is always someone who is who's not supportive. There is always someone who will be a challenge,
Mhm.
right? And he is the one. When I started the business, he said he it's a scam because it's online. But the reason why I get into this business is because of my biggest why, my son. So for all of you out there, if you are foreign workers, OFW, overseas foreign workers, I was once an OFW. That's why I know the feeling. I left my son in the Philippines when he was 1 year and 6 months. And kapag nanay ka, especially, there are couple who left the Philippines, dads who left the Philippines, but kapag ang nanay ang umalis, it's different, because if you are a mom and you found out that your kids or kid is sick, you will never stop crying, right? Because you cannot do anything. I was 1,000 miles away from my son. That's why when God brought me to Canada, I came here in Canada first. I promised to myself that when the time comes that my son and my husband will be in Canada, I will spend more time. I will catch up those times that I missed. I left Joshua in the Philippines when he was 1 year and 6 months, and he came to Canada. He is already turning 10 years old. So how many years, guys, that I miss those milestones. You know, of course, I still 1 year and 6 months. I still managed to see the first walk because he's already walking at the age of 11 months. The first teeth, I still witnessed that. The first smile, of course. But those second birthdays, third birthdays, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth birthdays, I miss those. That's my biggest why. That's why when I found this business, I said, this is it. You know, this is it. And who doesn't want to have a quality time with their kids, especially when you have a small ones, right? That's why I explore and find this and really trying to find a business that can even supplement our income so that I can just work one full-time job. And this business showed up by the grace of God.
Awesome.
Okay.
That's it. Sis Bing.
Okay. Thank you so much, Coach Lilibeth and Coach Roger for that very inspiring introduction. And I get emotional.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
thought.
I get emotional. And I am truly honored and inspired to be able to be in one room virtually with these amazing coaches. And thank you, Coach Lilibeth and Coach Roger. So now let's move to our first question. Oh my God, I'm emotional. Our first question is many people watching are interested but afraid. Afraid of failing, afraid of wasting money, afraid that they are not good at sales. What would you honestly say to someone who feels that way?
Mm. Oh, that's a great question.
Yeah, that's good.
We are nurses.
Yeah.
We are not on sales.
Yeah. So maybe I
So
could
answer that
answer this
question.
first. So, but our background is we're
As
not on
on
the
sale.
business because prior to uh, found this business,
Mm.
my mindset is just to become
Employee.
a good employee.
Yeah.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
But there is some we afraid because the why in our business we have the best system, right? So don't be afraid. Why? Because there is a free registrations like the website of Coach Lizelle, the website of Coach uh, uh, Floor,
Floor.
right? Or
Eunice and
Eunice and
Vilma.
Vilma. If you registered in their website,
Mm.
that's free. So that you can see to it if this business is for you,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So and after that, oh, there is blah blah blah. What is 100 plus?
Mm.
And that is 100 or what, let's say 149.
Mm.
Okay, what is 149 that changed your life? That changed your financial, and that's what happened on us
Yes.
because of 99 on that before that is 99, right? Coach Floor
Mm. Mm.
and Coach Lisa, 99 before, and then that's 99 like just one time, and it changed a lot of our financial situation.
Mm.
So don't be afraid, and because you can refund if you don't like it,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
So don't be afraid. Be, don't be afraid to try. I
Yeah.
know in online world there's a lots of discount. There's a lots of fraud,
Yeah.
but just to make sure, just search it, and that's what I did before. I searched if this the business is legit, and then guys, our business is a billion
Company.
company,
Yes.
and that is around the world. Where you can build your business around the world,
Mm.
and there is no inventory, right? What we did is we have a system. You see, you're from USA, you're from Philippines, you're from
Mm.
Australia. Why we are connected? Because of the system.
Mm. Yeah. And Afraid of failing. Wow, guys, I failed so many times. Between me and Coach Roger, I am the risk taker.
I'm a thinker.
I am the risk taker. Why? Because of my biggest why. I really want to have a quality time with my son. Imagine those years that I missed his milestones. That's why I'm trying to find so many businesses out there that can supplement our income so that I don't need to work three jobs. I failed so many times, guys. And every time I failed, I rise up, right? That's why when I told Coach Roger about this business, he said no, because he doesn't want me to see crying again.
Mhm.
But my principle in life is that I just lost the money. Of course, when you go into business, you need also capital. You need money to start, right? And I said I only lost the money, but the opportunity, you never know. Maybe this is the opportunity. So I keep trying. I keep trying. So failing for me is a lesson. It is a lesson. You will never be successful if you never experience how to fail.
Mm, that's right.
So if people will gonna reach out to you, oh, I don't want to join the business because I'm scared to fail. The more you fail, the better, because the more you are growing, the more you
You
become very
learn.
bold, the more you are become eager, the more you will do everything, because this is what I've learned from the past. It is a learning lesson. And wasting money, guys, this is a business. You earn money to you put money to you earn money, right? And there's no business that there is no waste of. It's not a waste of money. It is
Startup.
an investment. So don't consider it as a waste, because if you said it's a waste of money, then you are not really into the business, right? Because you need to put up money out there to open a business. When we were not yet in this online business, we tried to ask, we have a very popular coffee here in Canada, Tim Hortons. We tried to ask how much is the franchise of the Tim Hortons
Oh,
here.
millions.
And wow, lots of money, guys. Lots of money. But if you spend that money, you still don't know when are you going to get your ROI. What is ROI?
Return of
Return of
investment.
investment, right? But in here, in our online business, the moment you become a business owner already, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
No inventory, no stuff. The stuff is you, right? The stuff is you. And so don't feel scared, because scared will hinder your success.
Mm-hmm.
you know you will never go to your destination if you're always feeling that scared in your heart. So take action. We are here, you can see us, we are all professionals here.
Yeah.
We will not show our faces here in internet to the world if not legitimate. And you can always file your tax
Yeah.
in any country where you are. Just like this month, it's a tax season again in Canada.
Canada.
So we are just waiting for we call it T4A. It will arrive at the end of the month, and you can file that in your country. So we have a global business. So
Yeah.
there's global offices as well.
Mhm.
Yes.
Thank you, Coach, for that answer. I still remember, Coach, when I had my coaching call with you. My first question was, do I have to sail?
Yes, yes. And
I
yes,
said,
we are not in sales, right? We don't know how to.
I said,
Well,
if I will be sailing, I said,
yeah.
it's not for me.
Yes, I remember that. No, we don't need to sell here. We have a proven system that will do the selling for you.
It's
Yes.
amazing. It's amazing,
Amazing.
Coach. Our second question, Coach. Are you ready, Coaches?
Yeah.
As a successful business owner, how did you manage your time in the beginning? Did you start full time, or did you build this while handling other
Mm.
responsibilities?
I will answer that
Yes.
first
Okay.
probably. Remember, I started by myself, right? Because of him. So I keep hiding in the basement. Because guys, in this business you will have your own training site, so
Mhm.
that training site will be your guide, will be your
We have
reference, you know.
tools.
You will not get lost because there is a guide there step by step. So for me to finish that, I have to go to the basement so that Coach Roger will not see me. So I started part-time, but honestly this is not my plan B. This is my plan A. This is my plan A, because you know I have my biggest why, right? That's why, since this is my plan A, I gave 100% time, dedication, passion, and I prayed hard for this business to work out. And after 3 months, this business surpassed
Mm.
our both of
Mm.
us,
Income.
our
Income.
monthly combined on my first 3 months. So I told Coach Roger, you see this one, this is already 5 figures, and it surpassed our combined income for a month.
Mhm.
I know, no, not just a month, 3 months combined salary. So if we are just doing this part time, how much more if we will do it full
Full
time?
time.
So after 3 months, we prayed hard. I said, Lord, if this is really for us, because you know this is my plan A, right? This is not my plan B. That's why I did everything. And Lord, I said, if this is really for us, I challenged the Lord actually. If this income will not go down, kung hindi ito bababa, next month for the next 3 months, kung mananatiling, if this will stay like this or will go up, then we will quit our jobs.
Yeah,
Then we will quit
that's
our
true.
jobs. So after 3 months, we decided, we filed our resignation. And being him a skeptic, he went first. He quit first. 2 months before, he quit
Yeah.
first.
So because of the excitement, I saw,
He saw
yeah,
the huge
in
potential. Yeah,
potential.
yeah.
So this is a potential business that we can change our 9 to 5,
9 to 5.
right?
Yes.
So like
Amazing.
Yeah.
Lilibeth said, that
Let's do
it
it full time.
doubles.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doubles. So because of excitement, I filed my resignation first.
Yeah. Two months before me.
Two
So
months
she
before.
retired at 7 months, me 9 months.
Yeah.
So now the question is, how did we manage
Yeah.
time? Right? I'm working 3 jobs when I joined the business. The moment I come home at 5:30, I already prepared everything for my son, because Roger is working two
The
full-time
full.
jobs, right? So he's at work, he's not eating here the whole day in the house. So what I'm preparing for dinner is just for me and Josh. And my son loves just pizza, pasta, or whatever, right? He's like Canadian already. So it's very easy. From work, I will just buy pizza for his dinner. Then the moment I come home, I already sit in my favorite couch. I have a favorite couch in the living room. I stay there until Roger come home at 11:30 and go to the basement. So I set time.
Mhm.
You know, I don't believe with people when they say I don't have time. No, if it's really important for you, you will create time,
Mm,
right?
that's
If
true.
there's a birthday party of your loved ones, you think if it's very important, you will not take apply for a take off day off or whatever, right? You will create time.
Mhm.
That's why if this business is really if you think this business really will change your life, then find time, create time, because that's what I did. All what I'm saying now
Mhm.
with you guys is my experience, what I did. I create time. I find time to do my training, to do my business, to show up for my business. So management, time management
Right.
is
Yes.
important, and discipline. You know, if you are disciplined enough to, okay, 2 o'clock, I'll be in the basement to do my training side for 1 hour every day. And if you get that routine already daily, then it will be a lifestyle already. You know, for 8 years and 3 months in the business, if I didn't post one day, it's like something is missing.
Mm-hmm.
It became my routine already. It became my lifestyle already to post in the Facebook, even though I don't need to, right? Because we have already a strong two legs, right? But it became a lifestyle already to share the business, even though some people are know already that we are in the business. I still share. Uh,
Yeah.
I still share. So
So in summary,
great time.
is time management when you are in the business,
Yeah,
right?
discipline. Yes, yes.
Thank you, coaches. Thank you.
Ganado tayo sagot. Ilang
Miss
oras?
Eunice,
25 minutes.
Miss Eunice, you can ask the third question. Last question, please.
Okay, ayaw, wala.
Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya. Okay, coach. Coach, I will ask the question. For someone who feels pagod na, katulad po namin talagang pagod na po. Na ang mga tao na who miss milestone with their loved ones, especially OFWs, immigrants, and parents. What is the first step you would suggest if they want to start breaking the cycle or routine? Do you also recommend this business to those who are already satisfied with their current status?
Absolutely, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Ako pagod na ako.
Yes.
Pagod na ako na wala akong time sa anak ko, right? Kaya ang why ko talaga is napakalaki dahil yung time, you can never get back the time
Mhm.
that is being yung pera mahahanap pa yan eh. Pwede pang kagaya nung kabataan namin, kaya namin mag-work ni coach ng 24 hours. Pwede pang hanapin yan. Pero yung time, yung kung ano yung ngayon, hindi mo na yung maibabalik bukas. And that's my biggest regret. Na iniwan ko yung kasi although I have a very supportive parents and in-laws na nag-alaga sa kanya, syempre iba pa rin na ikaw yung mismong nanay ang nag-alaga sa iyong anak. That's why I'm always sharing this business, especially for those moms na may maliliit na anak. Kasi kapag lumaki na yan, you can never shrink them back. Sabi ko nga minsan kay Josh, pag nakikita kami, anak, if only I can still shrink you to 1 year and 6 months and bring you back so that I can still enjoy those memories when you were so small, sabi ko. And sometimes I'm him. I'll carry you, right? And mom, I'll just carry you, mom. So I'll recommend this talaga, especially kung pagod na pagod ka na. Wow. Kung ano yung energy mo ngayon, after 5 years, after 10 years, it will change.
Yeah.
It will change. Kasi you guys are nurses. We have Coach Floor here, right? Nagbabago ang hormones natin, nagbabago ang systems natin. Daily. Actually, it's daily. It's not yearly. Daily. Ngayon malakas ka. Bukas, hindi mo alam kung same pa rin ang lakas mo, right? Kung dati kaya namin mag-work ng 24 hours, now, even 8 hours, it's so hard for us already. Because this business, we get to used to it. Even I'm sick, I'm doing the business. I'm just laying down. Right? So same thing. Same thing with our health. If you're not able to work anymore, especially nowadays, most companies now, if you don't go to work, no pay. No work, no pay. But in this business, if you build already that passive income,
Yeah.
then even though you are sick, even though you are away, even though you're enjoying your family time, even though you're old, you are receiving that passive income.
So the best time is to start your business. Today.
Mm.
tulad ng experience ko, I work in 16 hours a day. So I have no time. Pagod na pagod na pagod
Yeah.
na. After uh, after come back, imagine nyo that. After come back at home, so
Tulog
mag-snack.
agad.
Di nag-i-store na ako because of pagod. So thank God because of this business,
Yeah.
it changed the routine.
Yeah.
So ngayon, we
Yes.
can go anywhere.
Yes.
We can go our office in everywhere,
Everywhere.
in
Yes.
our kitchen, in
Yes.
our room. So build our kids while they're young.
Mm.
Okay, or tayo.
Tayo. Yeah.
So hindi solution yung another
job.
another
Yeah.
job. Fourth job, third
Yeah.
job.
Third job.
No,
Yeah.
consider this. Start a business, a small
Yeah.
business. And
Yes.
then I will recommend this business because you can do it anywhere
Anywhere.
and anytime.
Yes. And we are the living proof, guys.
Mm.
See, 2 full-time jobs and 3 jobs.
Yeah.
And actually, we started working abroad when I was 25.
Mm.
25 until 8 years ago.
Mm.
We were still paycheck to paycheck. So I'm like, I told Coach Roger, we should sit down because I don't think getting more jobs will be the solution
Mm.
to get out of poverty, right? Na makaluwag. Kasi we've been working hard since before we get married actually,
Yeah,
kasi my mother used to say, no house, no wedding. That's why we started working hard talaga.
Mm.
And that time na naging kami na, married na kami, we never stopped working, guys. But then, wala kaming naipon namin resibo. Pictures, right? Memories. Nakabuild kami ng maliit na bahay sa Philippines, but that's it. So one day, nung pagod na kami, we should sit down, sabi ko. Kasi I don't think getting more jobs, 4th job, 5th job, is the answer to our problems. Because we are doing the same thing every day.
Yeah, sir, that's a circle.
Monthly. So we are also getting the same results monthly, right? We know already how much we're getting every 15th and 30th. It will only change if we will ask our supervisors for extra hours. But hanggang kailan namin gagawin yun? Yung mag-ask kami lagi ng extra hours to have extra for our payments, right? And for all of you guys, I know there are some of our some people who are inquiring about this business. They always say they're already contented for what they have. But this is what we've learned, because if we both are contented in our situation, then we never met you guys, right? We never met you. We will never able to help other people if we get contented on what we have. It's okay to say we are contented, because maganda naman yung sahod ko, but there is no assurance of being an employee. I know someone, she's a good worker, but then after working in that company for 15 years, they terminated her. And now she's crying because, there will never be assurance. If the company is already failing, they can do whatever they do. They will remove staff, they will terminate staff, or they will offer early retirement, right? So, habang bata pa, habang may pinagkakakitaan pa, start a new side hustle. It doesn't need, kung ayaw nyo mag-join sa business namin, then find a business that you can build that will support you later, kasi you never know what will happen. Yeah.
Thank you, coaches.
Thank you, Coach Lilibet. Such an inspiration, and I can relate po sa journey ninyo kasi I am an OFW at naiwan ko rin yung yung anak ko at the age of 8 months.
Yeah.
Yes, para po ako mababaliw.
Yes, yes, yes.
Nagjo-duty ka pero
Yeah.
hindi ano, parang lagi kang magkakamali habang nagjo-duty ka. Kasi iba ang nasa isip mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totoo yun, Coach Flor.
Yun.
And iyak na lang tayo, right? Iyak na lang.
Yes, totoo po. So once again, thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts
Thank you too.
for sharing your journey, your wisdom, and your heart with us today. Today's conversation reminds us that growth doesn't happen overnight.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
It takes faith in God,
Mhm.
clarity, structure,
Mhm.
and the courage to say yes to the
Yeah.
new possibility.
Yes.
We are truly grateful for your time and for the blessing of our community and with your experience. Marami pong salamat, Coach Roger and Coach Lilibet.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank
For me, Coach, thank you then for your time. What really stood out today is that every journey begins with a decision.
Yes,
You don't have to
yes,
have everything figured out. You just have to be willing to explore. Thank you, coaches.
yes. That's right. Thank you,
Thank you.
Dan.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank you, Dan. And just remember, guys, success doesn't come overnight, like what Coach Flor said. It begins with your decision, and of course, sa Panginoon lang. You know,
Yes.
sa Panginoon, we can do everything, pero kung wala ang basbas ng Panginoon,
Yeah.
walang
hard.
ano yun, walang katagumpayan. That's why we always tell everyone to commit everything to God, because it's only God who can change our life situation. When we try to sit down and we acknowledge that we cannot do anything apart from the Lord, because we thought just by working too hard, working 2 jobs, 3 jobs, 4 jobs, makakaano kami sa paycheck to paycheck. But hindi pala. And we acknowledge the guidance of the Lord. That's why when we watch the live webinar, that's why for all our viewers, it is very important for you guys to register on each website here for our wonderful coaches here,
Yes.
and try to watch the webinar. The webinar changed my perspective. That's why when I prayed to God, I said, Lord, if this is the one, then you provide. Then God provided. And now, with this new milestone that we achieved, we are super grateful.
Wow.
We're so-
Yes, to everyone watching the replay or the live, we hope today's episode give you clarity and encouragement.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
You are in a season where you're thinking about change. Take your time,
Yes.
reflect, and continue learning. Like what coaches here said, watch our live workshop every
Yes.
Thursday.
Yes, and yes, I'm grateful that I'm here. This is an amazing opportunity to hear
Ah.
firsthand from the amazing coaches. So
We
Thank
love
you.
you. Okay, just keep going, and always remember what is written in Matthew chapter 6 verse 33. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and everything else will follow. Okay.
amen. Amen to that.
Thank you so much, coaches.
Thank you so much. And so the last part is, if this conversation resonated with you and our viewers, feel free to reach out to any of us here. We're here to answer questions and guide you in the right direction. Know that we are not here to convince you. We are here to share this amazing opportunity.
Mm.
This is too amazing not to share, because look at
Yes.
our amazing guests. They retired early, and now they just received the amazing second milestone. Oh my God.
Yes.
All right. Wow.
Bless,
Congratulations, Coach.
blessing.
Grabe talaga. So yeah, we are here to help.
Iiyakan
And
na lang, Coach, sa biyaya ng Panginoon.
In 2 months, bibigay yung malaking bonus. Iyak na lang ako.
wow,
Congratulations,
oh my God.
Coach.
Congratulations,
That's why
teacher.
that's why we are here, Coach. Keep going. We want to be on your
And,
stage
and
also.
always align your desire to God's desire. Okay? Kasi kung hindi naman naka-align sa Panginoon, hindi niya rin ibibigay. Hindi niya
Tama.
ibibigay.
Yes.
So, yeah, I always
Right.
align. Pray for it kasi minsan kapag nagpre-pray tayo, hindi kalooban, hindi rin niya ibibigay. And we are just so grateful to God. This is before you go. We are just grateful to God because this business is just is God's business. He entrusted to us. Even itong mga milestone na to, hindi namin imagine yung unang-unang milestone namin na achieve namin in 3 years and 2 months, right? And napakalaki na yun. And ngayon after 5 years and 3 months, ito
Double.
na doble. Kaya sabi ko, Lord, we are not worthy, but I know my plano si Lord. Especially, guys, that we are handling a church now, na meron na kaming church na and I think the Lord wants us to really put our dedication in the ministry. That's why before that time will come na mag full-time na talaga kami sa ministry, we really want to spread the good news about this business. Habang kami ay may kakayanang pag-share ang business na ito, lagi kong sinasabi, this is the best business ever because it changed us. It changed us. Yung mga nagsasabi dyan na, hindi naman ano yung business na yan. Guys, para sa amin, ito ang pinaka-the best. Because both of us retired at the age of 45. 45 ako nung na-retire ako ng business na ito.
Wow.
Kaya we will never stop sharing this, guys. For all our viewers out there, reach out to Lizelle, to Vilma, to Flor, to Eunice. Ang business na ito, binago ang buhay namin at ng napakarami pang tao. Kaya wag nyo nang palampasin. Check it out. It's free to register. Just your name and your email address. And nothing to lose. You will learn more about how to really work on this generation of internet. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
And hope
Thank you, coaches.
Thank you so much. And God bless everyone.
God
We'll
bless
see you
everyone.
on in our next episode.
Next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.